What's up guys, this is Abhishek here and you're watching AV Motor Vlogs. Welcome back to channel. So finally we have the 2019 Dominar in front of me, and you can see it's a hulk of a machine, green color. It's a green, auroral green as said by Bajaj, but we definitely call it as Kawasaki green. So let me just start with the quick changes in this bike. Here is the new 43mm beefy USD forks from Endurance company. And talking about other changes, the disc brake has been shifted from right side to the left side and is mounted radially. Talking about other changes, here is the new crash guard and the new exhaust. So it is a dual port exhaust and the catalytic converter has been hidden inside. So in the new secondary display and the primary display, we have some new features added. So it shows some warning here as side stand down, or if you have low fuel warning, so it will show here. And this is the new warning sign, and all the telltale signs have been shifted here from the secondary to primary. And to access the information, you just have to press this button and it will show dynamic fuel consumption. And as of the bike is standstill, so it will not show anything. Then the average fuel consumption 1 and the average fuel consumption 2. So these are some new additions, and the odometer and the trip meter have been shifted down. The time is also showing here in the down. So if you have a tank bag, it's gonna be a problem for you. And other changes are like the new side stand. It is more of a heavy duty kind. So if you are loaded with luggage on the bike, it will definitely help to take on the weight. And other changes are, so you can see these two xenon strips over here, and if you press the brake, so these lights light up, these LED lights. These straps which will help to fasten the luggage here. So these are the straps, 4 straps, 1 2 3 4. So there goes these straps, and if you are touring, you can just take them out and secure your luggage. The reservoir has been changed. It's now like a box shape, so you can see how much brake fluid you have. Earlier it was very hard to see, and we were not sure if there was enough brake fluid in our reservoir or not. So as we sit on the bike, you can notice the new mirrors here. They look very premium, and they are CNC finished, I think. And they are definitely wider than the previous one and do not vibrate at high speeds also. So the handlebars are wider than the previous model. Because of these handlebar weights, these are heavier and wider to counter the vibrations coming from the engine. So these are the old tank pads, and it has already come out. I have applied it for the second time and it was not up to the mark. Tank pad you see here is of definitely very good quality compared to the previous one which we used to get. It used to come out. Many people have not noticed that the radiator sound has been changed. So when the radiator kicks in, the sound of the fan and the air is very silent compared to previous model. So previous model owners had this complaint of thunk noise when they used to shift from neutral to first gear, but this model doesn't seem to have that problem. So here we are on the bike. So one thing after riding this bike, I can say that why are you coming on the wrong side? So one thing I can say after riding this bike is that the suspension is softer than the 2017 version or 18 version. It's because of the new suspension they have given on the rear side, and also because of the new USD forks. The handlebar seems to be raised a little bit, which adds to the comfort while riding. And talking about the power has been bumped from 35 PS to 39.9 PS. So the bike definitely goes faster. So if you pull the bike after 6000 RPM, you can see it goes like a bullet after 6000 RPM. And the mirrors don't shake also. It's very stable. Because of the wider handlebar and the heavier bar and weights, the vibration has gone down a little bit, and the feedback from the engine while accelerating is more like a Duke 390. If you have ridden Duke 390, you can understand what I am talking. And while riding, the exhaust note is really bassy. You can hear it very well if you are riding. The vibration from the foot pegs have also reduced. I don't know, but I think the DHC setup has helped to reduce the vibrations. Talking about the USD forks, the USD forks have made the bike little bit front heavy, and you may notice the weight when in heavy traffic. USD forks does not offer better cornering capabilities, but it makes sure that it is planted in the highways on the road. Even though the power has increased, still there is same old MRF tire which starts spinning if you accelerate too much. The top speed has also increased, but I could not test it as it is a new bike. And overall, the Bajaj has done very good job on improving the Dominar. The bike is more powerful, gruntier without increasing the cubic capacity. A few changes that could have made the bike better were I think showing the gear position indicator, time and odors in the main console, cause it's hard to look down, and also if I put a tank bag while touring, I cannot see any of them. And as it's a power cruiser, I think it should have come with an increased tank capacity for offering long distance touring. Also, switchable ABS and hazard lights would have been a sweeter addition. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, bye bye, take care.